Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to apply any motions to iClone 7 avatar. This is iClone 7. I already opened this software. First, I will just click here to apply an avatar into the scene. I may just apply the G6 avatar. Just drag into your scene. For me, I love to show the grid. If you don't want to see the grid, you can just use Ctrl G to toggle the world grid and Ctrl A to toggle the world axis. But for me, I will just put both of them together so that I can always see where is the location. So this is the avatar. In order to apply any of the motion files that you purchase from Reallusion Content Store or any of the motion that already exists in your iClone 7, you just need to click here. You can see the motions. You can toggle this triangle to review all. To apply any of the motion, for example, for this time I want to choose the iClone 7 motion. Let's say I choose female. Now, for example, I want this to dual gun shoot. Just to drag into the avatar. And now I click play, you can see it already applied the motion. In order to stop the motion, I can just click pause and click here to back to the frame 1. And of course, if this is already at frame 1, I can always change the motion file. For example, I can just click the motion Heidi G6 perform. Let's say if I want this, I just drag into the avatar. Then I can just play. It will automatically apply the motion to the avatar. Now you can see this motion file already applied. Then you can render as the MP4 file. Click export it out as a video. And that's all for today about how to apply any of the motion files from your motion templates or any of the motion file that you purchased and downloaded from Reallusion Content Store or Reallusion Marketplace. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all to activate the notification so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you'll receive the notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy animation and game developing. See you.